Hey everyone. So right here, I'm going to break down how to make text and icons bigger on your iPhone 17. If everything looks too small or hard to read, this video is going to help you fix that in just a few seconds. First thing you're going to want to do is open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down a bit and tap on Display and Brightness. Over here, tap on Text Size. Now you can slide the bar to the right to make your text larger, or to the left if you want to make it smaller. Wow, that's already easier to read right here. If you'd like to make everything even bigger, not just text, you can go ahead and tap on Display Zoom, then tap on Larger Text. Tap on Done at the top right, and your iPhone will restart to apply the changes. Oh, great. Once it's back on, your icons and menus are going to look much larger and clearer. That's adequate for anyone who wants their screen easier on the eyes. You can always come after these same steps again if you want to adjust it a bit more. Anyways, that's all you have to make your iPhone 17 display comfortable to use. If you have any other questions, ask below and I'll help you make out what's missing, if required.